Hi. In this extract, we will learn how to assign dynamic names to cells within a financial model. Usually, a good model is used for more than one company or situation. By dynamically linking the cells where we introduce text in the model, such as the company's name, the financial period, the currency, etc., to an input page, we will allow ourselves to modify only once when some of the parameters change. Let's provide an example. In this sheet here, we have a company's name and a cell which reads P&L. We can link the company name to the cell P&L in the following way. Type equal in front of P&L and put quotation marks around it. In this way, we are creating a text formula. Now, let's use the AND function and link to Google Inc., which is the name of the company. The formula produced the following result. If we change the name within the source cell to Microsoft, it will automatically update in the formula. This is how we create dynamic names in our model and render it more flexible for future modifications. Thanks for watching.